In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to arch letters here in Canva. Now, if we come to just here, this is what we're going to do it on. Now, there isn't a feature that says arch, but there is a feature that says curve. And arching and curving are practically the same thing. So if we click onto the words, onto our text that we want to arch, come up to effects just here, then if we come over to the left hand side and scroll down to the bottom, we can see this little shape feature where it says curve. Now if we click on there, we can see our letters have now been arched. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we do have this bar that we can toggle to make the curve less or more. The higher the bar, the more arch in the letters, and the lower the bar, the less arch. And we can reverse this arch as well to go the other way, just like that. But that's just how simple it is to arch letters here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.